Imagine waking up tomorrow and stepping outside, only to watch the sun rise in the west. The sky glows pink, then gold, but from the wrong direction. If Earth suddenly began spinning backwards, this would be the least of your problems, because reversing our planet's rotation would unravel the very systems that make life possible here. For starters, the Coriolis effect would flip. This invisible force, born of Earth's spin, currently deflects winds to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. It is what spins hurricanes counterclockwise up north and clockwise down south. Reverse the spin, and every storm on the planet would spiral in the opposite direction, a mirror image of the weather you grew up watching on the news. But that is just the beginning. The trade winds that currently blow from east to west across the tropics would reverse, pulling moisture away from places like the Amazon and dumping it onto the Pacific. Ocean currents would scramble. The Gulf Stream, the warm river in the Atlantic that keeps Western Europe surprisingly mild, would slow, weaken, or even reverse. London might soon look a lot more like Reykjavik, while parts of Canada could grow vineyards. Over time, continents themselves would change faces. Today, most of the world's great deserts sit on the western edges of land masses, baked dry by winds that have already lost their moisture crossing the continents. Spin the planet the other way, and those deserts would migrate east, while new ones bloom in the west. The Atacama might become a forest. The Sahara could drift toward the Arabian Peninsula, and deep beneath your feet, something even more troubling might happen. Earth's magnetic field is generated by the slow churn of molten iron in its outer core, a swirling motion tied to our planet's rotation. Reverse the spin, and you might disrupt the geodynamo itself. A weakened magnetic shield would let cosmic radiation stream toward the surface, slowly stripping away the very blanket of air we need to breathe. So a backwards Earth would not just be a strange mirror image of our world. It would be an almost unrecognizable planet, scoured by reversed storms, reshaped by wandering deserts, and stripped of its protective shield. The thought experiment reveals something profound. Our seemingly fixed planet is actually a delicate dance of winds, currents, and molten iron. Every sunrise in the east is not a guarantee. It is a gift, kept in motion by forces we barely notice until they stop.